Have you ever booted up your Linux system, only to find out that your drives aren't mounted automatically? It's a hassle to do this manually every time. But the good news is, you can automate the process with just a few simple steps. Let me show you the easiest method. First, we need a software called GNOME Disk Utility. You can go to your apps and search for disk. If you don't have it installed, you can simply open your terminal and type sudo apt install GNOME Disk Utility for Debian-based distros. Enter your sudo password when prompted and press enter. Open the software and navigate to your desired drive. In this case, I have a 1 TB hard drive, and I want to automatically mount this partition at boot. Select the partition and click on the settings icon. Then edit mount options. Uncheck user session defaults and click OK. Now, type in your root password and click authenticate. Reboot your system to confirm that the drive partition mounts automatically. If this video helped you, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Linux tips and tutorials.